You want to sing some? You want to sing some songs?
Okay, Andy. Very good. Lots of funny eyes.
You want to sing
oh,
some
they're
songs?
so funny. Sing some songs.
Hey, Andy. Andy, where's Michael and Brian?
Michael was in California.
No, where's Mike and Brian?
Do I see Sissy?
No, what are they doing?
He's upstairs.
Upstairs. Huh?
Yeah.
Where's Tisha?
He's other two.
She's where?
This.
No. Where's the Tisha?
She's school.
No.
She's California.
No.
She's supermarket.
No.
New York.
Brooklyn.
Andy, where's Grandma Lita and Grandpa Leon?
She's California.
Where are they?
She's California.
Where's Rowie?
California too.
Where's Grandma Manya?
California.
In New York.
New York.
And where's Grandpa Marty?
California.
No, he's in New Jersey.
Where's Sue House?
Home.
She's in Brooklyn.
So she's his house.
Andy,
Yeah.
sing a song.
No.
How about
Sue's house?
Do you want to sing a song?
No. Sue's house.
What about Sue's? We're going to Sue's house later.
Andy, you want to sing Swing Low?
What is it, Sumo?
Want to sing Swing?
Alright, ready? Swing yo. Swing yo. Swing yo. Swing yo.
Yeah.
No, swing whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
No, swing low.
Yeah.
Swing low.
Whoa.
Sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing yo. What is it? Oh yeah, swing whoa. Not swing yo. Swing yo. No. You mean she beat her dog, you know?
No.
Swing yo. No, not swing yo. Swing whoa. No. Okay, what else do you want to sing? Okay. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. You gotta sing. Swing low, sweet chariot. Oh, no, not swing yo. Yeah, swing whoa. No. You mean she? No. Swing well. Swing yo. No. Who's that? Mike?
February 15th. And next Monday, we all have off. There's no school. It's the whole country pretty much is celebrating Martin Luther King's Day. So I'm going to turn it over to the children now for creative leadership.
You were a different person.
No, I'm this person, but it's okay.
kids. We initially in school salute to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. for being a true leader. He was a man that knew that all people were created equal. He was a man that could see freedom, justice, and equality was for everyone. He was a man that taught us to see the peaceful way to bring about a change. He showed us that he loved his neighbor so much that he gave his life to prove it. His love, his hope, his strength continues to lead us to do all that still needs to be done. We salute you, Dr. Martin Luther King.
Just to let you know, these are the thoughts of the children as they were screened for creative eye leadership throughout the year. When they were asked, what is a leader? These are what their answers were.
Mrs. Robinson, the Creative Eye Leadership youngsters, Ms. Lisa Email, and Mr. Harris. And remember Reverend Hardway's message to keep the dream alive.
What's the matter, Andy? What's going on there, guys?
Not telling.
Telling.
No.
Now, do you have anything you'd like to say to our audience at home?
Quiet.
Oh, be quiet.
Yeah.
Hey, Andy,
Huh?
do you want to say anything?
Tease.
Andy, do you want to say, you want to tell about, you want to sing a song?
Yeah.
What song?
Dingle, dingle, little door, how I ran the rescue. Oh, up, was so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Dingle, dingle, little door, how I ran the rescue.
How about Pharaoh Jacques?
Yeah. Freyasaka, do me foo, sweet Martina, ding dong ding, ding dong ding, ayo sweeping, ayo dipping, body down, rainbows are green, ding dong ding, ding dong ding.
How about We Shall Overcome?
No.
No, We Shall Overcome?
We shall overcome. 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 Someday, don't you run. Someday. Oh, I will keep my. I know the song, right? We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, keep my heart. My do the reef. My do a reef. My do the reef. The flashing turn. On the tiny white focus under the wall. The tiny block, the tiny block, the tiny beat, the tiny count. Give all times you got there. This is a different song. Don't you get it? Your flashing turn. Okay, let me do something now.
Okay, now it's Brian's turn, okay? Okay, Brian, go ahead.
What should I do?
You want to go play the piano? Do your song on the piano?
Yeah. You stay here and do Andy. You come.
No, I'm going to come with you.
You come with me so the sound will be better.
Mm-hmm. Now,
What?
who am I looking at here?
Me and Robin. Who's me?
Me and Bobbin?
No, this is Herbert and I'm Sherbert.
No.
No, this is me Bert and that's him Bert.
That's Goober and Boober.
Yeah, Goober and Boober. No, Boober and no, Blubber. Jimmy and Jameel.
Which one is Goober?
I am. And I'm Bluebird. And I'm Elephant. It's supposed to be a no sleep. I think it's not. No, I'm Sheer Tiger.
Would you like to say anything to the home audience?
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah. You didn't ask me yet.
Or would you like to say anything to the home audience?
Yeah.
What would you like to say? Oh, that's very attractive, I see. And what would you like to say to the home audience, young Foo-Foo?
Okay. Again for me.
What do you say?
I hope you send that camera up in 10. Wait, listen to this. You killed my brother, you filthy rat. And you killed my brother, you filthy rat. And you are going to pay. Oh.
How about, keep the change?
Keep the change, you filthy animal. Wait, let me do part. Hold on. Listen to this time. Leave the stuff at the doorstep. My name's Snakes. Who the hell are you? I just happened to be coming here to pick up the dough. What dough? Jesse said that you had some dough for me. Well, I'll give you... How much did it say? You said 20%. Okay. I'll count to 10 if you don't get your ugly keisters off my property. Now. 1, 2, let me do this. 10.
What about keep the change?
Keep the change, you filthy animal. So that's what I like to say to the whole audience.
Anything else you'd like to say?
Robin? Yeah. Shut up!
Anything nice you'd like to say?
Uh-huh. Hello.
Wrong. Put the phone back.
Hello, Cox. Can you get this ugly guy with the camera out of here? You will? Thanks! Bye. Oh, my address? 15 Marion Road. What? 15 Marion Road. 15 Marion Road. And my phone number is 509-8937. And the number is 509-8937.
Brian, do you remember your old phone number?
What?
What's your old phone number?
73